Imagine your students being able to capture their class excursion to the museum and annotate their photos and videos to reflect on later. Or maybe you want your students to unleash their inner David Attenborough by filming and editing the natural world around them for their classmates to view in virtual reality. Well, now they can with the VR/AR Creation Kit. With the Creation Kit, students can capture their own expeditions, tours, videos, AR and VR content to edit and annotate. To show off their work, they can share and view their creations with their classmates using Google Expeditions kits. Now let's dive into what's included in the Creation Kit. The Ricoh Theta V records 4K video and 360 spatial audio so your students can capture a realistic view of the world around them. This camera will unleash your students' creativity by allowing them to capture still images, video, or stream live. The Joby Gorilla Pods allow students to securely mount their cameras and shoot on any surface. This tripod holds to bars, branches, or anywhere else your students can think of to capture footage. The rubber foot grips stabilise the camera on virtually any surface. Let their imaginations run wild as they try out different filming locations and angles. The Teacher tablet allows students and teachers to see exactly what's being captured via the free Ricoh Theta app. The Rapid Charger keeps all your devices charged, and the Toolbox keeps your charging cords and cases neat and tidy. The Creation Kit partners perfectly with applications like Situ 360 and Google Tour Creator. These applications allow teachers and students alike to create their own immersive 360-degree experiences as easily as you would a Google Slides presentation, but now in immersive virtual reality. Imagine this, your geography lesson just became an interactive world tour, or your maths class just learnt trigonometric concepts using real-world scenes. The Creation Kit is also the perfect partner to our Google Expeditions kits. Your class can use the student devices with the Ricoh Theta app to view their photos and videos while filming. The devices can also be inserted into the headsets so students can view their classmates' work in immersive virtual reality. To get started with your own Creation Kit, call 1300 TFE SOL, email hello@tfesolutions.com.au or visit our website at tfesolutions.com.au.